record my video.
Oh, it's lollipop.
You got a lollipop. You telling everybody you got lollipops. Girl, back up. Back up. Whoa. You helping me? Say, hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my channel.
Hello.
I am going to be recording how I'm straightening my hair. And I have the lovely Kennedy Rain. Say, I'm Kennedy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by AJ here, and today's video is going to be of me straightening my hair. So if you would like to see this process, make sure you keep on watching. And as always, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so now I'm showing you guys what I use to wash my hair. I use the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo, and for conditioner, I use the Organics Brazilian Keratin Therapy Conditioner. Now I'm using the Tresseme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant, and I tried to spray a good amount all over my hair. I'm not sure if you guys are noticing, but all of the products that I'm using have keratin in them, or they have silk, like say silk in the title somewhere. I just want my hair to come out really silky and straight, so that's why I bought products with those included in the title. To blow dry my hair, I'm using the Tyche Turbo Jet Ionic 300 blow dryer. That was a whole lot to say. And I used this one because it got really hot, and it helped me get my roots straight and my ends pretty straight. I'm using the tension method just to get the roots pretty good, and then I'm going to go in with the comb attachment and comb through my hair to get it really straight. Now, if anybody is trying to follow this tutorial to make sure that you get the same results as I, do not feel obligated to buy every single product or every single tool that I use, because you do not need it. It's all about the method, honestly. You could have used, another blow dryer. Just make sure that it gets hot enough that it gets your hair pretty straight, because you want your hair, almost straight when you're done blow drying. That way you don't have to do as many passes when you flat iron your hair. So now I'm repeating the same steps on this section of hair, so I will let the video play and I will come back when I have new information to share. Before I start the process of straightening my hair, I am going to use the Chi Silk Infusion Serum all over my hair, just to, add some more of the products that's going to make my hair really silky and smooth and look like I got a blowout. There is so much going on in the background of this video. I am so sorry, guys. That is so distracting. To flat iron my hair, I'm using the Conair Infiniti Rainbow Titanium. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's really pretty. It has like a rainbow titanium blades inside. And I bought this flat iron because it's supposed to be a dupe for the Babyless Titanium Pro, the blue flat iron that a lot of people use. But this flat iron worked really good, and it was like half the price. So I would definitely recommend this flat iron, and I believe I used it on 430 if I am not mistaken. But I will put all of the information down in the description box in case you need it. As you can see from this clip, you can see that my hair turned out really silky and bouncy and straight, and that's everything that I wanted and more. So the steps and the products that I used did work on my hair, and I'm excited. So just keep on watching and you'll see how my hair turns out. Alrighty, so now we have some good lighting, which equals good footage, and you'll probably be able to see what I'm doing a whole lot better. I'm going to continue doing this process on this side of my head and letting the music play. So I'll shut up now and let you guys watch. Alrighty, and we are halfway done. I swear it took me forever to flat iron my hair, but it was only because I kept stopping and getting distracted. But I'm going to continue doing my hair and I'll come back. As you can see, I am just about done with my hair. I did not leave my hair like this. I did get it trimmed the next morning because my ends were definitely a little scraggly looking. So you can see this is what my hair looks like and where it's hitting right now. Definitely a lot of growth from where it used to be. And yeah, so I'll show you a quick clip of how I wore my hair. I did have a fashion show that I was modeling in. So I added some bumps and some curls, you know, to the ends just to make it look a little more flowy and, I don't know, not as bone straight. But this is the final look, and yeah. So if you guys are happy with what you saw, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, as always, you can leave it down below. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I am so close to getting to my goal of 1,000. I just need your I just need your guys' support. So go do that for me, and I will try to continue to post consistently, and I will see you in my video next Friday.